गाइस वेलकम बैक टू C2C मेंटर्स। मेरे साथ आज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट बैठा है। ही इज फ्रॉम SIDTM एंड ही टेक्स केयर ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट। आप लोगों ने यार बहुत हल्ला किया कि सर प्लेसमेंट के बारे में जानना है, SIDTM का क्या कंपनीज है, रोल्स वगैरह वगैरह। इस वीडियो में सब कुछ क्लियर करेंगे। सुमंत, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग सम टाइम। यार इसका स्टोरी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू परस्यू IBPS PO या फिर बैंक PO बोल सकते हैं।
LICO as well and
हाँ,
bank PO.
तो बैंक PO में जाता तो 7-8 लाख मिलता।
Yeah.
इसको सैलरी जो मिला है वो 250% ज्यादा मिला है, 2.5x। उसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे। एंड ही हैज मेड इट इनटू वन ऑफ द रेप्यूटेड ब्रांड इन द कंट्री, आई वुड से।
Right.
ठीक है, दूसरी चीज, कैट थूक गया अपना।
Yes, sir.
He bounced back in snap exam, got a decent percentile, I would say. ठीक है, एंड वहां से बंदे ने फोड़ा है। सुमंत, काफी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। Would love to have your background here.
Yes,
Just
sir.
tell us where you from, what you've done. Please, over to you.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you.
To having been interviewed from you. And so I'll get to my background. So first, I was an engineer in Hyderabad. I'm based out of Hyderabad.
Okay.
Post that, I got a placement at TCS
Okay.
as a quality assessment tester.
Okay.
So before getting the offer, I had a gap of 6 months. So
Okay.
that is when I decided to take up LICO, IBPS, PO. Post that again, I thought of joining TCS because I don't want to wait for another year to get that opportunity in PO.
Hmm.
Post that again in TCS, then I started to get into MBA, pursue MBA. So my preparation started with CAT. I gave CAT, which didn't go well. Then the second option for me was SNAP, which because it offers a plethora of colleges. Then I got 86 percentile in my
Snap exam.
Snap exam.
Nice. Not bad.
So then I converted other colleges as well, SSBF and SIDTM as well. So but I chose SIDTM because it is offering towards, I mean, it is oriented towards the technology, media and telecommunications industry. So one of the reasons was also that before joining, I researched a lot. I've gone through your videos as well.
Thank you.
I've seen your interview with the director, sir, and then I saw how it is progressing. Obviously, the placement statistics, how it is progressing across 5 years. Then I got to know that it is on par or above par with BBIMs.
Right. You know, बहुत सारे ना बच्चे ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं। एंड जब मैं ये वीडियोस बनाता हूँ ना, जब एज एन ऑडियंस आप लोग देखते हो ना, आई नो यू ट्रस्ट मी, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट, बट कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में ये ख्याल आता है कि यार ये रियल में इट्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू।
Right.
बट जब आप अंदर आते हो ना, तब आपको पता चलता है कि बॉस ये जेन्युइनली बेटर है। प्लेसमेंट का बंदा है, मैं तुझे छोड़ूंगा नहीं, मैं पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन लेने वाला हूँ। सो ये बात है यार। एंड इसको जो पैकेज लगा है, अब देखो कैट खराब हो गया, अब स्नैप ने बचा लिया। स्नैप में 86% है, नॉट दैट ग्रेट, नॉट दैट बैड, इट्स अ डिसेंट नंबर। बट जो पैकेज लगी है भाई वो बहुत अच्छी है। आई एम रांची, आई एम त्रिची, इनसे बढ़िया नंबर है इसका। आई एम उदयपुर का जो एवरेज है उससे क्लोज बाय आ चुका है सुमन। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी। कहाँ पीओ करता है और कहाँ MBA में आ रहा है। माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू, डू यू एडवाइज किड्स के भाई PO अगर कर रहे हो, एक बार MBA की तरफ भी थोड़ा ध्यान दो?
Definitely, they should consider an option.
Huh.
They have all these secondary options.
Right.
Yes, I mean they should not divert from their PO opportunity that they can. That's their first interest. But then there's an option which is far more greater than what you can
Exactly. Exactly.
get in PO.
Exactly.
So I mean that is.
And we're not even talking about Blackies and FMS and all that. Even if you make it to SIDTM sort of a B school, आपके chances बहुत bright है यार।
Right.
प्लेसमेंट के बारे में तो हम बात करेंगे, बट यू नो व्हाट, समथिंग दैट पॉप्स अप इन माय माइंड राइट नाउ, जब आपका कैट हो गया था, जब वो नंबर अच्छे नहीं थे कैट के,
Yes.
डिड यू एवर थॉट दैट आई प्रॉब्ली गिव स्नैप, उसके बाद ये परसेंटाइल आएगा, फिर मैं SIDTM में जाऊंगा और वहां से मुझे इतनी बड़ी कंपनी और इतना बड़ा पैकेज मिलेगा? वुड यू माइंड डिस्क्लोजिंग योर कंपनी नेम?
Yes, I can disclose.
प्लीज गो अहेड एंड प्लीज टेल मी कि ये सफर कैसा रहा?
Right. So after CAT, definitely I was disappointed.
Yeah.
And also after getting into SIDTM, I know the placement statistics are good, but there will always be self-doubt that will I get the highest or will I
Right.
get a top 20, top
Right.
25.
Right.
But believe me, after, I mean, I chose SIDTM after, within the options that I have, and I found it the best. After researching, I went into it. And then I absolutely found out that, see, this is telecom. Telecom is just an industry, but what we learn here is technology. So if you learn technology, you can implement it in any industry. So then, as when I got into the placements team, that is when I found out the plethora of roles that we have, not only in telecom. Telecom
Okay.
is just out of the total placements. I mean, it's just to 10 to 20%.
ये क्लियर कर दो बिकॉज आई एम वेरी श्योर आप लोगों को भी ये डाउट है कि केतन सर यहाँ पे सिर्फ टेलीकॉम की ही प्लेसमेंट होती है क्या? कैन यू टेल मी ऑन 100% टेलीकॉम इज व्हाट परसेंटेज?
It's 20 to 30%. 70%.
That's it.
Yes.
Less than 1/4.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Rest
Come back to
70% is completely technical technology roles.
Okay.
Roles in SAPs, product management, which is applicable across industries, not only
Okay.
telecom.
My next question, you got lateral or it is a PPO?
It's a PPO.
It's a PPO. Fantastic. तो जब आपने वोडाफोन में SIP किया,
Right.
I want you to tell me कि वोडाफोन कौन-कौन से कैंपसेस पे जाता है, कहाँ-कहाँ से बच्चों को उठाता है, और क्या आपको जो स्टाइपेंड मिला था उनको भी सेम ही था? You can take name of those colleges.
Right. So Vodafone goes and hires from IIT Kharagpur,
Nice.
NMIMS,
Nice.
SIBM Pune, and IIM Calcutta as well.
Wow.
Although there's a difference in package, ours would be a niche talent program, and theirs is a leadership program. But the work is same. There's no
Okay.
difference in work.
Okay.
You sit with them and discuss equally on what is going on. Because I had a person from NMIMS and also from SIBM working in the same project.
SIBM Pune?
Yes, SIBM Pune.
Wow. Nice.
The role was same. And the inputs that I offer was also the same, similar to what they offer.
Nice.
But with a leadership purview. But mine was a niche perspective. So mine was in network security, which is completely different than what I learn here and also learned in my UG.
But tell me, Sumant, how was the feeling? Yeah, Snap 86.
Right.
Sitting with people जिनको Snap में 99 plus आया, sitting with people जिनको Cat में 99 plus आया. How was that feeling?
I mean that while after entering Vodafone Idea, I didn't think that these colleges would be sitting with me.
Right.
Because I am Calcutta 98, 99.
Right. Even IIT Kharagpur and
Right.
SIB Pune, these are like biggies, yeah.
Biggies, yeah. So it was unbelievable because I put the same thought process what they do.
Nice.
I mean, the thinking towards the project is the same. So
Nice.
you sit with them who think on a same level and also you start thinking differently. You observe them and you start learning from them, and also you can.
So that thought process पहले से आपके साथ था या it got changed when you got into SIDTM?
It got changed. First year was definitely a boom for me. The first year of MBA. Then I learned about the curriculum, what it offers.
Nice.
Then it got changed, and definitely when I went into SIPs, I was able to implement it.
Okay.
The curriculum that I learned.
Coming back to Vodafone, you've been there, you've seen it, you're a placement guy, you know a lot of insights by the way. Definitely जो आपने कैमरे पे नहीं बोलोगे. But what I want you to tell me, how good is Vodafone doing now? Because as far as my knowledge is concerned, the share price has gone up.
Correct.
There is a positive sentiment in the market. You tell me what's happening inside.
So in Vodafone Idea, while I was working with all the colleagues, I used to closely work with the VP of Risk Assurance. There's no such panic in the organization.
Okay.
Absolutely no panic. And the other thing is, as you've seen in the latest quarter report, the losses have narrowed down. I think it was last year, it was year on year, it was 7,600 crores. Now it has narrowed down to 7,000 crores, close to 7,000 crores.
Okay. I'll tell you the reason why I asked him. 2 साल पहले इनकी जो सुपर डुपर डुपर सीनियर है सृष्टि करके, उनका मैंने वीडियो करा था कैंपस पे, एंड शी गॉट द सेम पैकेज बाय द वे. उनका परसेंटाइल आपसे कम था, तो उनके वीडियो फिर ना कुछ नए शेयर्स जो नेगेटिव प्रोपेगेंडा वाले लोग होते हैं वो आके कहने लगे अरे वोडाफोन है यार, इतनी अच्छी कंपनी नहीं है वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. गाइस 3रा साल चल रहा है, उसका जूनियर अभी वोडाफोन में जा रहा है जो कह रहा है चीजें बदल रही है, सुधर रही है, एंड कंपनी इज डूइंग रियली गुड. So understand this, when you look at SIDTM and when you feel that यार Vodafone ने इतना बड़ा पैकेज दिया, Vodafone is doing great, right? It's all about breaking into it because it's not only SIDTM का बच्चा getting in there, even इंडिया के tier 1 वाले बच्चे भी वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. तो एक थोड़ा सा हमें माइंडसेट उस प्रकार रखना चाहिए, थोड़ी पॉजिटिविटी देखनी चाहिए, and that's the reason I thought of I'll ask you this question कि how's the company doing. Now let's come back to the $1 million question.
Right.
Give me detailed understanding about your placement season 2025-2026.
Yeah.
आप लोग फाड़ रहे हो, मैंने बच्चों का इंटरव्यू करा है. एक्शन द स्ट्रैटेजी भाई 80% पीपीओ दे रहा है.
Correct.
वो टाटा कैपिटल वालों ने भी 80% पीपीओ दे दिए हैं. ग्रेट कंपनीज, ग्रेट पैकेजेस, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. टेल मी मोर इनटू द प्लेसमेंट्स.
So people know mostly about Accenture strategy.
हाँ, वो
Because
बहुत
it has-
famous है by the way.
It has become a USP nowadays.
Yeah,
But then there are many such companies that come over across industries, be it in the BFSI sector.
Okay.
And also, let me highlight this, that BFSI sector, even though it doesn't come for core finance roles, it has digital transformation roles, which is a part of our curriculum. So people go there for product management and for digital transformation roles.
Can you name few company? Are you allowed?
I am not allowed to disclose the companies.
अच्छा, इसको थोड़ा सा ना अभी और डिटेल में लेके चलते हैं. UI UX पे काम करते हैं.
Right.
अच्छा, मतलब मोबाइल ऐप वगैरह पे काम करते हैं.
Correct.
Okay. Now let's understand this. ये एग्जांपल मैंने पहले वीडियो में भी दिया था. That I know my students from IIM Kozhikode, IIM Shillong वगैरह, New IIMs वगैरह, जिनको companies like IDFC Bank वगैरह वगैरह, AU Small Finance, these banks are doing fantastically good. So they pick up these students from Kozhikode, Lucknow, Indore वगैरह, Shillong के कैंपस से इनको उठाते हैं. इनकी जो पैकेजेस होती है वो 25-30 लाख की होती है, बट काम एग्जैक्टली सेम होता है. वो UI UX पे काम करते हैं, डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पे काम करते हैं, मोबाइल ऐप पे काम करते हैं. मेरा अंदाजा है कि 8-10 लाख SIDTM में कम मिलता होगा, बट सिमिलर प्रोफाइल ही होता होगा. Do you agree on that?
Similar profile, not only in banking industry, BFSI. For example, let's say it's Vodafone Idea. We have a department, we have a digital department in that space, which majorly works on VI, Vodafone Idea app. And it's majorly on UI UX designing.
Nice.
So people from all streams, they will go and work there. So it's the same, but even though there's a difference in the package, the work is same.
Okay, so we covered BFSI. Tell me about more other vertical or functions.
Right. So consulting is the predominant vertical. So
you guys are going heavy on consulting. Yes. That's what I've heard about it.
Heavy on consulting. Around, I mean, 70 to 80% happens in consulting. Majority of the batch.
Okay.
And if it's consulting, and it's not only towards telecom. So there's a vertical, communications, media and technology, CMT vertical in all the organizations. So they sit there, they onboard as consultants. And last time I think I heard a story in which one of the interns, he worked on a gaming project, media.
Okay.
So he was serving as a person. I mean, he was consulting a gaming company, and then he was giving his inputs on how to take it up digitally.
Okay.
And not only, again, if you leave CMT aside, we have risk consulting into enterprise risk, cyber risk.
Nice.
And information security, cyber security.
Okay.
So there are varied plethora of roles.
Okay.
That,
do you guys have anything in fintech, martech?
Yes, martech we have.
Okay.
We have roles in martech again. So few BFSI companies come for
martech as well.
Yes, martech roles.
Okay. Would you be comfortable in disclosing certain company names? Because हमने Accenture strategy बोल दिया. हमने कुछ BFSI कंपनीज का नाम लिया. Big Four तो आता ही है, भर के आता है. थोड़ा और कुछ अब बताओगे?
So one of the BFSI company majorly that recruits is Tata Capital. So it definitely comes for product management and as I said, digital transformation roles. So BFSI is one of them, and we have ICICI Prudential. Okay. It comes for credit manager roles, which is a bit of sales, relationship management kind of roles. And I mean, these two companies are available on the website. We are actively engaging a few other companies as well this year as a part of the placements team. But predominantly, these two. Okay.
ठीक है, cool है यार. Any closing thought from your side for students who are gunning for SIDTM now?
Right. So for SIDTM, I mean, as I said, it offers to a plethora of industries, not only into telecom.
Right.
Telecom is just an industry.
Which is 20 to 23% of the placement, by the way.
Correct.
बाकी जो भी है ऊपर का 2/3 वो बहुत सारी आपके segment में चल रहा है, which is good.
Right. And I mean, generally for the students, if there's any such instructions, take mock tests as many as possible and analyze those mocks.
Okay. And which mocks they should buy?
C2C, I had paid for C2C, one of them, and also I had from other platforms as well.
Yeah, सबका buy करो, हमारा भी buy करो.
But they were helpful. They were pretty helpful.
Thank you.
And so majorly you should focus on. So there are two things. One is what you are very good at. Reduce the time on what you're very good at while answering that question. And for the things that you're not very good, you need to improve. Focus more on that. Majorly it is a time-based examination.
Right. Suman, do you recommend to give only one attempt or at least go for 2 to 3 attempts?
2 to 3 attempts would be safer because I mean the difficulty level of the paper varies.
I think पहला attempt है ना CAT का trauma से बाहर आने के लिए लग जाता है. You start improving in the second. Cameraman हंस रहा है वहाँ से. You start improving in the second or third one, by the way. Okay, Suman, my last question to you. Market tight है इस बार.
Right.
Okay. We're getting news, by the way, geopolitical scenario ho gaya, market tight, all that stuff. How is it happening as far as SI DTM is concerned? Can you tell me PPO numbers? Because जिस कॉलेज में PPOs आते हैं ना, समझ लो उनका प्लेसमेंट तगड़ा चल रहा है. Can you give me a little idea about your PPO numbers?
So out of the whole batch, 25% of the placements happen through PPOs.
You sure?
Yes.
मैं कंफर्म करूंगा डायरेक्टर सर के साथ.
Yeah, you can.
25% is a big number, by the way. For a tier 2 B school, it's a big number. Awesome. Do we expect any new recruiters getting added this year?
Yes, we are adding on new recruiters this year, considering the batch size as well.
Okay.
And I mean, new recruiters is what Big Fours are known.
Right,
Big Fours,
right.
and so we want to add many other recruiters, which across domains.
Okay.
So which show to the world that they are believing in SIDTM.
Right.
Not only the regular ones,
Mm-hmm.
but the other ones which are
Okay.
onboarding for the first time. We are onboarding for the first time.
Would it be okay if I say that a lot of companies which are visiting baby IIMs or probably new IIMs or probably top-notch tier 2 colleges are also visiting SIDTM?
Yes, it would be fair to say that. Correct.
Perfect.
They are
Perfect.
visiting.
Cool है. Thank you so very much, Sumant, for giving some time. And guys, इस वीडियो पे ना मुझे कमेंट्स चाहिए, इस वीडियो पे मुझे बहुत सारे लाइक्स चाहिए बिकॉज प्लेसमेंट का बंदा है. मैंने इसको पकड़ा आप लोगों के लिए एंड ही डिस्क्लोज्ड आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट. सो थैंक यू सो मच, Sumant. I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.